Okay, so some of these forms here that we've talked about, let's just review real quick on some of these forms. So if I were to write y is equal to, let's say, 3x plus 4, you should know how to find the slope of this, right? That's the slope. And then, of course, that's the y-intercept. You need to know how to graph this thing, okay? Remember, find the x-intercept points and the y-intercept points. Now, this is the point-slope form. This is the slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept. Slope-intercept form. This form, if we were to take this over, this is negative 3x plus y is equal to 4. What we're going to want to do is multiply through by a negative all the way across. So this becomes 3x minus y is equal to negative 4. This form is the standard form. Okay, this is the standard form. So they may ask you, given slope-intercept form, write it in standard form. So you should be able to take the standard form and you should be able to find the x-intercept, the y-intercept, connect the points, so forth, and find the slope, of course, coming from here at the standard form. There was the, let's see, the y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x of 1. This was the point slope. The point slope form. You're keeping up with all these forms there. Okay, so this is the point because you can plug a point in and then here's the slope. This is the point slope form. Let's see, there's one other form. There's the general form. And the general form is nothing but this right here, except we're going to take this negative 4 over. So we have 3x minus y, and then we'll bring that 4 over, plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, that is the general form. Alright, so slope-intercept, standard form, point-slope form, and general form. Okay, so you just really need to, plot a couple points, drive an equation that passes through the points, and so forth. This linear equation is about as easy as it gets, actually. But let's see, here's a quiz question before we go. And this is definitely going to be tricky, so you better watch out. Graph y equals 0. What does that graph look like? Well, let me show you. So right here's the x-axis, here's the y-axis, and we just graphed it. We just graphed y is equal to 0. Right, y is equal to 0. Okay, the slope is 0, m is 0, the y-intercept is 0. Anyway, it's actually the x-axis. Okay, sometimes the easiest questions can actually be the hardest ones. I know that I've found that in many different cases. Alright, well, I think that this pretty much sums up graphing linear equations. Hopefully you won't have any trouble doing this. But like anything in math, it does take practice. So practice, 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 and I should have some practice exercise problems on my website. Hopefully one of these days in this particular section here. Okay, good luck.